Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. How now day? I greet everybody. Also, now they enjoy yourself. Just a quick one. I want to talk about health issue for our country. Not be only our country, but health issue. Like those people where not they too much they take care of their self. You know, say our people, our people, all this our people where they Naija, even though say you give them money, say make them go see doctor. They know they go. It's very, very important. Even some people for years for this our abroad where we did. So many people, my brothers and sisters, and I know so many people, they this abroad where we did. So many people even say they know even they go to see doctor. They're very, very important for you. May I first of all talk about one and verse and they do something so they use one until they talk to now. May I first of all talk about our people back home. Many of us know now the time where we did Naija, nobody even they go check up. Now those people wey get money, then they go check up. If una go see now, if una go watch am, una see say all these our people wey get money, they go check up well because the money dey. But our people wey not get money, they not they go because they'll say they okay, which normally they supposed to they go. I bet my brothers and sisters, if you not get to our people, I'm gonna tell them I know say they know they go. If you give them money, they're very important. Some people there, no a blood test is say we don't do blood test. Don't take. They know they do. Let's say maybe sometimes you can't get fever. Now you can't say I want to go buy medicine. Even the medicine when they go, no be said na doctor give them. Even the medicine when they want go buy, no be say na doctor give them. Now just na their own, on their own. They'll just go pharmacy. Pharmacy, give me this one. Pharmacy don't know what they do you, it go give you. You just complain to her say na fever, na only fever. That one go really give them medicine. They will go drink am. The fever will come go, but you don't know what it cause that fever come. You don't know what it cause that fever. They know we know they go. I know now for Africa that time because say money not there. The money where you will say I just get this 5,000 naira. This 5,000 naira now we want to eat. They know they go. Now we will take it. I will go spend that for doctor, which is very important because when all these things we supposed to let our people they know, especially we were there for this side. If now because now no they know they go. If now just maybe now get their own doctor for them. Now just they pay the doctor direct. Then they go. You make sure say they don't want to pay anything. You don't pay everything finish. Then they'll go to see the doctor. Anything they do and you go meet doctor. That way go pharmacy. Now no sell this pharmacy where they for our place now. Have Igbo made na many pass. Igbo made na many pass, which is very important because for our place, if you see person people they job break now no be the one when milk on the talk and they go job break now now you go eat. Afternoon you go drink garri. Evening you go eat stash. You understand? They know they eat fruit care. Maybe now when many people we were come there abroad, now we come there, they ask you money, you send go give them. Before that time when we dey house, who buy you fruit? If you eat fruit first, maybe you see a pluck for 3. Now the truth maybe you see a pluck for 3, 4. Now you carry. When money when they want to buy, they know they buy. Even all this salad self, they know they eat. And which is very good. It's very, very good for our body. You'll see nurses sometimes when you go meet doctor, they tell you say maybe you do blood test for you. Go say try make they eat more fruit with more vegetable. Our people they know they all those ones they know they eat. I want to buy we guy jo aziz azemi ati ejo wetin dem dey call am via groundnut, put groundnut for inside. Oh, they'll say life don't finish. No be so. Mona still please, my brothers and sisters wey still dey here, Mona try to dey even dey tell them. E dey very very important because some people just dey carry their body go. They no even know whether the lack of blood, whether the lack of vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, all these many things wey dey for body. Because you know say we don dey this side, we don't know many things. We don't know many things. Because that time, you say some people there go say that time wey I dey Nigeria, I no dey sick o. As I just come reach here, that's what they tell me say I need this one, I need this one. Now, because the time when you dey Nigeria, you don't know whether you like of this one, you like of this one. You know they carry your body, they go like that. Now you just see say some people now go just they waka. You go say I see am yesterday, they say he just now say he just wake up, now so he fall, now so he die. You don't know whether na blood, now the small one where he can remain. Now the small one, it's like car now. You don't they carry car, they go. You not control whether fuel dey. The one where the small one will go just finish, the car go just stop. It go stop for them. And so this our body still be. Our people, we know they do control. That one not true. Even some people for years say we still dey here. You just hear some people for abroad again go still they tell you say since I tell enter abroad now. Only say I just go hospital go born comot. No, you need them. You need them because now God now just they save you they go. This our body don't they old. E no be like say as we be before the time wey you dey for 20 years, wey you dey for 25 years. No, once you don reach 30, you need to dey do all these things because your body e dey old, e no dey young. So wetin you need, you go dey give am. Wetin some people even dey doctor tell them say they take this medicine, you go take am once, you go just go keep am. You go say abeg I no dey take, I dey okay. And you go tell me say me I just take medicine for one month. Where I dey okay, you don't know wetin cause am wey say make you take that medicine for 1 month because maybe that thing wey dey for your body under 1 month e go comot. But see, as you no come take am, you just take am small, you leave am for there. The thing go come out again, go come worse. Now you come see say some people go say this e no sick o, e no just sick. Now once now this thing just start to dey do am. You understand, my brothers and sisters, especially those who dey for house. We need to carry them sit down, talk to them, say una need to dey go to doctor. Not unoragbo we go. Now the head where they life, now they find money o. Unoragbo we go because you know talk say doctor tell you say make go bring 3,000. And the 3,000 now you can't just calculate this 3,000 now when you say buy so things. I beg my brother, first of all go for your health. Go for your health. Doctor tell you say make do this thing, do one because he get what you see. You know say doctor, you know just fit tell you everything for what you see for your body. The fit says most thing if it happen if you not take this medicine on that so time. You understand? Let me they tell you say this medicine take am for 1 month, this one take am for 3 months. Because that 3 months, you go use and take clean that thing where they see for inside, or maybe a short of blood. You get them. You know, say some of our people they'll get short of blood. They no, they just they waka, they go like that. They not blood, they not go doctor, they not go see anything. You go say now so headache now just the get so headache. I don't know. I they take medicine, go come out, it go come. You don't know what they affect and what they cause am. Short of blood still dey cause am. Lack of vitamin D or E still dey cause am. All these things dey cause am. Now it make am. If you just feel say you get as your body dey do you, go meet doctor. Go meet doctor. Doctor go do everything. Tell you. I know say our old people they know they go. You go say if I go meet doctor, they say me I can't pay 500 naira. 500 naira you pay and your health dey okay. No good. It good now. Especially those one where they back home. Now just they talk about. My brothers and sisters, this message now for now where they here. Wanna see get people for house, especially if you get on a mother and get on a father. It they very, very important because they need them. They need them because you just see some parents. He never take vitamin for his life. Now ya beer and water. He never take. He don't know what to be vitamin. They know they take. How we go near why I do it? Decide where ya long woman, ya the knock by ya long woman. Not be so. You need that for your body. All those are why where they you see some women go there for 100 years. all those one, their body don't know everything, you know, they don't strong enter inside. But those one wey don dey come now, because as I talk, everything they change, everything they change. All those every year wait for 100 years, 100 and something, you know, say that time na people they reach that age. But now if you go look at people, know they reach even 80 years before they reach 80. It dey hard before you see say somebody reach 80, 85, because everything don't change. We need to they do many things. You need vitamin, even though say na 3 times 2 times a year you need that. You know, say some vitamins there where you take for 3 months, you go just get this thing. Some day where you take for 6 months. After you don't take can, you go still leave your body. Even if you dey take the vitamin, say you dey see your body, all your skin go dey shine, you go fresh, you go dey fine, because many things wey dey for inside that vitamin na it dey make all your blood come dey go dey refresh am, e go dey wash am, and now e go dey clean am. E dey very very important. Even though say you still dey here, you still need am. No be say doctor just tell you say go buy vitamin. Sometimes you, even though say doctor not tell you, you dey buy. Like me when we dey talk to una, so doctor sometimes they no dey tell me say me I buy vitamin, I will just buy and say I don take a vitamin last year, me I still take am, I go take am. When I go do blood test, they not tell me say something dey or something not dey. They just tell me say this one dey okay, this one dey okay, because me I dey treat myself before I go. You understand? Because I know say vitamin where everything dey for inside, it dey very very important for our body. That make them they sell am. Even though so you go for pharmacy, and they talk about here, if you go for pharmacy, you'll see and say it just there. You don't even need a doctor to write am for you. You buy am, they take am once a day. Make you they see your body, all your body you come they shine, you they fresh, you they young. Person they even they ask you say, that's your age when you talk say you really sure say na be your age, because now that vitamin it they freshen your blood, it they clean everything where they your body. We need them. And people wait there for Nigeria, if not they go Nigeria, if you still get family, you still get your papa, your mama, if you buy them, you give them. I know say some of our people, they know they take off, because then they forget to take them. You go say, when buy many years in the morning, they know they drink milk. They know you know these things, they know they take them. So they need all this vitamin for their body. They need them well, because waiting milk they give for person body, they know they take them. Our people know they take. If they just break, they'll just eat a camel. Drink waiting they call now. Tembayo, drink gari, they'll just they go. Because all these things, they know they take them. So they need all this vitamin for body. Because anything, it go they clean their blood, it go they wash them, you know, it go they refresh them. It is very, very important. And those people who still they Nigeria, if una get more money, mona still they try. Doctor, they very, very important. Who talk say doctor not dey important and like they talk, because we go first of all see you where before you go they say this money I mean one use that to do to so thing. May God not let anything happen. That's also thing where you want to do. You go see I tell do and no. So it's very very important. All these things it is very important. Not be say our people no know. Some people they know, but the money not there. Some go even get the money. You know use and tell do. You go use and tell go do another thing. When I'm not versed and they do something, you go use the money to go do another thing. Go say, I just see this cloth, or we get meeting where we want to go, see the cloth where we want to buy. You know, first of all, think about yourself. You dey think about the meeting where you want to go, the shoe one and one buy. First of all, it's about yourself. If doctor tell you something, try to do it, because they get what they see. Let me then tell you. And if anything not there for your body, they'll still tell you say nothing there. You understand? But if maybe you dey feel say you dey feel so because normally if you get pain or you get anything, doctor must see something where they do you. Even here, our people, some day they know at least once a year you go doctor, tell them say you want to do all blood tests, everything. If you go there, they not drive you. Everything you just tell them say you know they go doctor, no they see doctor all the time, but you want to do all tests. They go do one for you. They very, very important. Not to say, I dey okay. I don't get anything now. What did they do me? I'm not in there. But they very important. If now once a year you go to do the blood test, all complete. You tell them say you want to do complete test, they'll do one for you. If you day young, if you be 20 something, maybe you no need down because you know say when person still young, all this thing, at least when you don't reach 30, you need to dey do everything. You need to dey do everything because you not come young like that again. You need to dey do everything complete. You just do. Now you make am, you see say children, they not dey quit dey sick like that. You understand? Let's say they get something, they not dey quit dey sick like because they fresh and they get power. The thing wey small pikin go do, you wey don see your age don go, you no fit do am. You see some pikin if they dey run today, you wey the age don grow, you no fit run like that because they dey fresh, their blood dey fresh. Then they call am say the blood dey, as I talk am, e dey powerful. You understand? So e no be like person wey age don still go. Now make am we now that time when we dey very young. The thing wey you dey do that time, you know take compare as you don your age don still pass, don pass 40 something. You know take compare because you still know say you still notice am say that time see wetin I dey do this time na no fit do am like that because your body not dey very young like that. So very very important both home and abroad, especially our people wey dey home. If you dey Nigeria, if you dey hear this message, dey very important for you. It dey very very important because so area do sense no if we understand because na small shit na come dey push the big one. Because if you go doctor before the time, anything wey dey for your body they go see am before that time. If you be person wey no dey go at all, when they go gas, now you come dey see say you get this one, you get that one, you get that one, you say I don't even know say I get that because you know they go see doctor. So my brothers and sisters, not just small one, just say me I just break come out because I dey see some of our people, you just see the way when they talk self, you dey see say go say I know they go doctor, the money where I want to go doctor, just be like waiting they throw away. Not be waiting they throw away. We are talking about your health. Not be waiting they throw away because if you go meet doctor, he treats you, he sees something for your body. Not be good pass say maybe later come see the something and the something don't viral. So it's very very important for people wey dey home, especially those one. Now it cause some. If you see people wey dey Nigeria, you go say this one get diabetes. Wetin dem dey call am? They go say get diabetes. I don't know diabetes. But for year, you go get am for many years. You go say Nigeria, if you don't hear say get am small, you go say the thing don't kill the person. Because they know they buy medicine, they know they go waiting doctor tell them say they take am. You say so, you go say like in one boy, all these things say God forbid not be me get am back to send am. Not be that one. Prevention is better than cure. Now prevention is better than cure. They will say they not take again. That will say they buy this medicine they drink. You go drink and small, go throw away. You go say no drink again, and the thing there for your body. And that's also even they when they will tell them say, doctor tell them say, okay, we don't give you something. You call so time, can't control. They know they go control. They know they go. Doctor will tell you say may you can't control. You know why I tell you may you come. May you still check am. May you see how the thing they go on. Maybe it don't less. You go still check medicine for you. Say okay, this medicine now. Change them, the start of this one. Then when they go, all these things, then they cause so you say oh that one don't go, that one don't go, you know even reach 40 something, you know even reach 50, you know even reach 60. These things they cause some. Why people for abroad it they different? It they different. Before you go here say the habit keep person for this side. It they very very high. You know say don't chop and well. You understand? For our place, they say rock, but never ever reach anything where they'll just discover and go say, now so it reach. Now the truth, So my brothers and sisters, you see me, I just rushed through this one this early morning. I greet everybody now, do well, especially those one who just they follow me from the beginning. God go bless all of you now. God go bless everyone because I too love you now. Now no as I tell love you now. Those one wey still dey share am, even though wey they put dislike anyone, God bless everybody. Those one wey just follow me for the beginning, God go bless una. Una still dey there. I love everybody. Even those one wey still newly come, God go still bless everybody. Una do well, so una dey help me to dey share am. They give everybody the information. No say those because if una still listing, una still share, another person go see me I still hear wetin this woman talk. You go still pick am. So God bless everybody as una take dey share my audio, even those videos where I see they put for there. Thank you, one love. God bless everybody, each and every one. Una bye bye. I bet mona help me share this one. Mona share them. If una get people for us, mona put them for inside their brain. Say mona they go control. If now once a year they go, they do all tests A to Z. You go do one. Make they know they say I get fever. I just go pharmacy. I just buy the thing. Don't they okay? You don't know what it cause that fever. Maybe that medicine where you take it just weaken as small. If you come back again, it's very very important. Okay, my brothers and sisters, one love from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed. Bye bye. Watch out.